Paskul St. Paul's High Secondary School Marbisu hakasni baar kala Plie Tnad Pule Science hapo ka school menang penyar ya kajing ai jing syakri ya ki samla ka than ya kani Tnad Pule la Plie do menteri Tnad Pule puthi rakam e sangma hakajing ran lang UMLA ka mauplang ba Matthew Beyond Star Kurba Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo pat kiwei Kumban chupan kan mau san banai minchwa na kaliang usimbot menteri kejela ba Preston Tinsong hakajing ya lang Plie ya ka platinum jang school ulapan bina ba ka sarkar kan sa ajing yarap ka ba arpholak tingka kumju na kaliang ka KHADC arpholak ba na kaliang UMLA sanlak ba kani kala urlong kablalam chakajing la ban Plie ya ka Tnad Pule Science haka school hakani ka sngi la Plie ru ka class 11 arts na ka benta usnem Pule ahja arpsaw ahja arpsan
Committed to providing the best resources and support to ensure your success in this new strain. We are here to guide you, dear students, nurture your talents and help you to achieve your dreams. Let us envision a future where our students become leaders in science and technology, driving innovation and positive change. Together, we can build a brighter future for our community and our world, especially in this area. Congratulations everyone on the momentous occasion. May this new science stream inspire you to reach new heights and achieve greatness. Let us officially inaugurate the science stream today at St. Paul's Higher Secondary School, Marbisu, and embark on this exciting journey of discovery and learning. Once again, I am very grateful to God, to our chief guests, and all the other guests who are here. I ask God's blessing upon this new science stream opening today, and may God bless all of us here, our state of Meghalaya, and especially our ministers who is here, to connect us with the government as you have heard the memorandum today.
Today, I'm extremely happy, Father, for opening of science stream, because we always say, if you know the world better, if you want to understand the universe better, if you want to understand what is happening better, science will explain to you. Science development is not complete. We talk about electron, proton, all things, microwaves, electrowaves. We talk about mini photosynthesis, many things, just a little. The scriptures, I want to come back to the scripture here. The Bible says the human understanding